This is Joetat from the Staten Island Animal Care and Control, who was brought here due to the hurricane conditions. And Animal Care and Control simply means that if he wasn't adopted in his allotted time, he would have been put down. He's a gorgeous, gorgeous cat. 6 years old. And let's see if I can just say hello. Hi. Oh, you're sweet. Oh. Who would put a cat down like this? This is a darling. This is a darling. So soft. Yes. Very soft. Very soft. I see affectionate too. This is a lovely cat. Yes. Beautiful Joetat. Just waiting to go home. Beautiful Joetat. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. Yes. Ah, sweet.